What's up, guys? Got the Blitzer Beetle out. We're gonna do a little speed run with it. I got the Vortec tires on the back here. Want to send it down and see how fast it goes now with those tires on it, a little bit bigger. And then we're gonna take it over here to this construction site I've been eyeballing and have a little fun with it. Just tracking. Turn it on. It's got power, guys. It's got power. See how fast it goes. Whoa, right between my legs. See that? Okay, let's see how fast that was. Trying to break 30. 37, guys. That is awesome. I got 37 miles an hour just by changing the tires. So I'll take the speed deal out and we'll go over here and see if we can have some fun with it. This thing is awesome with those tires on there. Lost my sunroof. Figured that was going to happen at some point. Well, put that in my pocket. Just wants to spin out and do donuts. Nice. That was awesome. Can't hit the gas too hard, guys, or it just does a donut. I think the stock tires probably are better for this terrain than the Vortec tires. They're a bit slippery, but fun nevertheless. Let's see if I can get it going straight down this little patch right here. Nice. That was awesome. So suspension works pretty good on these old cars. You can get it to go straight. It's taking a beating. Lost my sunroof. Lost my back license plate too. Just getting a proper bash today though. Oh, nice. That was awesome. Nice, nice. Oh, that was awesome too. Oh. How cool is that? Nice. This thing is too much fun on 3S, guys. This is still brushed. Haven't made the brushless switch yet. I think it would be definitely manic on brushless. It's insane. Just on this, I did, however, learn that it's on a 14 turn motor, thanks to Phil over there at Poor Boys, building his Kyosho. Uh-oh. I lost a tire, guys. Oh, bummer. I don't see the nut anywhere close. Still got the pin in there, guys, so that's good. But I was able to use the Vortec tires thanks to Rick. I know I said that in the beginning of the video probably. But yeah, perfect fit, except for I lost a nut. Anyhow, guys, I think that's going to be it for this run. Thanks for watching. If you guys are subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button, guys. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.